You just got bored and get your PC to play Minecraft. You're finally done with the installation and chose a version to play, but randomly everything went wrong for some reason. You start to get panicked, right? But just for this, you don't have to smash your computer. It has a simple solution. This bad video card driver's message is pretty common on almost every PC on Earth, and the main issue here is likely because of the outdated drivers. First, let's navigate to Device Manager and see if we can update our graphics drivers by Windows itself. As you can already see from the icon with exclamation mark there, which means something is wrong with our graphics driver. That may not be always a good idea. Of course, Microsoft's standard VGA driver is never gonna solve our problem. If we can't find the driver with Device Manager, we have to download our own from internet. In my case, my GPU brand is Nvidia. Yours may be Intel or AMD, so I'm going to download drivers from the official Nvidia's website. Start by choosing your operating system, graphics model, and the language of the package you're going to download. It'll show the most recent driver they have for your graphics card. In my case, my laptop has 8600M GT, and the most recent graphics driver is from December 2016. After all of these, start downloading your graphics driver. After you're done with downloading, drag it to your desktop and extract the driver package to files. Then, you'll get full access to the driver itself. After then, let's navigate back to Device Manager and find your display adapter and double click on it. For this time, choose your driver manually and navigate to your extracted files for your graphics driver. Then choose your model number and let Windows 2 install it for you. New graphics driver is installed, we rebooted the computer, and now we're ready to go.